Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that holds significance in the field of pharmacology. Let's break down this word to better understand its meaning and pronunciation. We may pronounce it as paroxetine, 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 paroxetine. Paroxetine is crucial in mental health treatment, helping professionals to manage conditions like depression, anxiety, and other mood disorders. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about paroxetine, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.